Welcome and what is up there, everybody? This is Casper Trader back here with another video today. And what I'm going to be doing today is just a daily upload. It's week 2, day 1, beginning of week 2. And for those who don't know what it is that I do, I'm currently doing a challenge where I'm growing $200 up until $1 million. That's right, you heard that correctly, $1 million. And what that takes is 5% growth every single week, which will lead to a whopping $1 million over 4 years. So basically, what I'm doing, I'm swing trading stocks and trading some options to hit around that 5% every week, trying to hit that consistently so I can reach that goal. And along my journey, I share my tips, tricks, strategies, and everything like that. Every lesson that I've learned through trading stocks with you guys in these daily uploads and also on the weekends. So if you guys would like to see me grow to $1 million and learn some things about stocks, I'd really appreciate if you guys could smash that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not yet. I'd really appreciate it a lot. Alright, so getting into the video, the thing I traded today was DWT. I put in a pretty hefty position onto this one. I did it in 3 trades. I put in 10 shares, 8 shares, and 4 shares. My average buy-in price was at around $7.97, so I'm down by like 0.7%. Which is almost nothing. It's not that much, and what I see with crude oil, you can kind of actually tell in the Robinhood chart for once. What I can see on this chart is that DWT is right at the support right here. You can kind of tell with these Robinhood charts, and I'm waiting for a spike back up. I'm hoping for it to be a gap up overnight, so it might be this night, and I think it's probably going to be this night, where it's going to hit up to maybe 830, maybe even 880 if I'm lucky, like it did previously. But I'm hoping to take like a 4 to 5% gain on the stock, which would be absolutely fantastic towards my goal. So that would raise my portfolio value by around 3% for this week already, which would be awesome. Another stock that I'm looking to trade actually is TVIX. I was going to buy in this stock, but then it started trading downward, so I didn't. This is basically the inverse of the stock market. Until today, the stock market just completely like boosted up forward. And let's check out SPY. SPY shows the stock market right here. And you can see that SPY went up like crazy today. It was up around 1.5%. So that's like the overall stock market. So that kind of reversed the direction of TVIX. I think it'll just have a small bounce. TVIX, right around the area where it is right now. Right here would be the support, right around $29. Right here, bounce up a bit. I don't know how much it's going to bounce, but I see that it's this bouncing point. And from there, either, for those who don't know, TVIX and SPY are basically, well, almost inverses of each other, except SPY is a little less volatile than TVIX. What can end up happening with the overall stock market? These are the 2 circumstances that I see happening. Either this was just a slight pullback like I had before previously, and it's going to continue trending upwards, the stock market, or because there's a heavy amount of resistance right around $280 on SPY, I think that the stock market also may create a double top where it hits the top right here once, top another time, and then it just brings back down to where it was before. But we are unsure about that yet. All we have to do is wait, and then once it starts trending and fulfilling a pattern, then we can hop onto the stock in either direction and make some profit off of it. So all we have to do is wait on that one. On a stock that I'm looking to make huge profits on, though, really big profits, are JDST. JDST is actually a pretty cool stock. It's the inverse of gold, basically. I think I skipped it over here. Let's see, JDST right here. And right now it's creating sort of a head and shoulders pattern. They can also, today's a good day. You can kind of tell on the Robinhood charts. This is going to be one of the shoulders. This is the other shoulder where it's at right now. I'm looking for a decent buying price. Or when the stock actually starts falling down from the shoulder. This is like an inverse head and shoulders for those who are still like curious what I'm talking about. It's the inverse of head and shoulders basically, where it's upside down. So I'm waiting to buy in the stock, and it has a possibility of hitting like $53, which is a huge amount of profit. That's like $14 in profit with one stock, and it only costs $40. So that in percentage wise, that would be close to a whopping 35% profit on this stock. So I'm going to be watching this one closely, and I'm going to be looking for a good entry point. I might put in like 1 share right now because I'm mostly invested in DWT right now. Yeah, so I could barely afford 1 share. Maybe if it dips down, I can afford 1 share. Or I could sell off one of the DWTs. to buy one of the JDST stocks. So that's what I'm currently doing. I'm just swinging those stocks. I'm pretty sure that DWT, just looking at the pattern, it's looking to make that huge spike up probably tomorrow morning. So that's going to be a nice profit already on the week, the second day. So that would be pretty nice. This week, since last week, doesn't really show the full, but since it's Monday today already, it's the end of Monday. But this week overall, last week, I mean, week 1, I was about flat. I made like 0.5%. But that means next week I'm going to have to hit around $235, if I'm not mistaken, in profit. So that'd be around 10% profit for this week. So I'm going to keep working hard towards that. And I'm going to be updating you guys every day in the videos. And for those, last thing, for those who aren't in the Discord group yet, I have a link to the Discord server below. There's like over 70 people in there right now. And if you want to ask any questions about stocks, direct message me or ask anything to like-minded individuals who are interested in stocks. It'd be the best place to ask it. And everyone's caring, kind, and answers all your questions. So if you'd like to join, I'd really, really appreciate that. All right, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. And I hope you have a fantastic, fantastic week.